The first thing we need to do is open up our image in Photoshop. We then go onto the quick selection tool and click on select subject. That should then isolate us from the background, and I can just Control C and then V, and I've got that with no background now. What I will then do with that image is I will click on this little button here, add a layer mask, and then I will click onto this here and go to solid color, and that color is going to be white, and I'm going to put that below my image. I'm then going to get my image, so my ink in water. Obviously I've just got mine off the internet as I didn't actually take these, and I'm going to lay that over this picture here. You can see obviously that it's from the internet because it's a very small file. That is why we take our own pictures and we don't use pictures from the internet or our own phone pictures, because they're just not going to be good enough for the quality that we want. So you're going to move this around, obviously, just wherever you feel it needs to be. I'm then going to select this layer here because I want this background layer to be the lightest layer on this image, which is this kind of peachy sort of background. So I'll click on that and then eyedropper tool, easy peasy. I'm then going to click on this and go over to screen.
Now, fill that again a little bit lighter, a little bit, there we go.
So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to just edit a few little things. So go onto image, adjustments, let's go onto my levels. You can see there I've got now a double exposed image. Obviously with your ink you can change the color on it, so image, adjustments, hue, saturation, and then I can just move the hue and change the colors. However, I like the red, especially with the face I'm pulling there, looks quite aggressive and angry.